Okay guys, so I'm now going to move on to the Pithivier. Now we're still using that 3/4 butter puff. We want to see that lamination, so make sure your pastry is nice and cold, especially when you cut, okay? If it's warm and you're using a cutter, you're squashing those edges together, you're not going to get that nice crisp lamination. I've made a simple cake mixing, frangipani. Equal amounts of butter and sugar creamed up till light, equal amounts of egg added, creamed nice and light, and then an equal amount of almonds with some flour in it, okay? So it's a nice light mixing. I'm doing a little small one here. This is the base, this is the top. Okay, so to fill it, all I want to do is I want to dock my base. And dock it really well. And then we're going to pop the filling in. And I'm going to pipe the filling in, it's the simplest way to do it. And you can make any size, it doesn't have to be this big. Some chefs may put a little bit of apricot jam down there. So I want to leave a border around to seal, okay? And I don't want too much frangipani in it. It looks good. Now, the top of a Pithivier is decorative. So, before we put the decoration on, I will egg wash it. Once again, I'm using those egg yolks as an enriched product. I want good colour here today. And just with a sharp knife, we're going to etch. It almost looks like a flower. Just on a little bit of an angle. So start in the middle, draw it around. So you can imagine what that's going to look like once it's baked. It's going to look like little leaves or petals. And once again, before this goes in the oven, I'm going to put some sugar on top to enrich that caramelization process. Okay. Very light egg wash around the outside. Pick it up. Now just be careful, we don't want to squash that lamination together. Just a gentle press down. Like so. And you can actually just use a pastry cutter. Might cut a hole in it, that's going to release the steam during the baking process. Okay, slide that onto the tray. What temperature? Once again, start this at a very high temperature. We want that kick and lift. Thank you.